Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar, Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So this is the chart of US dollar, Japanese yen, USD JPY, and I am in the 4 hours time frame, my favorite. And so let's do the analysis first. So if you look at the chart, and you can easily see that right now market is in a range. Okay, yes, market tried to cross the range twice, but the price failed to sustain. Okay, price failed to sustain above the range, and ultimately price came down to range again. So we are back to zero. Okay, when market broke this range and stayed above the resistance for more than uh, 16 to 20 hours, so it was kind of a confirmation to us that yes, at last market has crossed the resistance that it was trying for a long time. But ultimately the news came out, market became volatile, and we saw some huge sell-off, and and you can see right now market is back to the range again. Okay, so let's switch to the weekly time frame once, because you know I'm a fan of weekly time frame. I'm a fan of multi time frame analysis. Let me remove these drawings. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame, and you can see that okay, market is again trading below this level again. Previous week we saw that price was trading above this level, but that time also I told you that do not be too sure, and ultimately see again we are back to zero. And see, this level is extremely important because market is trying to cross this level for last 8 weeks. Market is trying to cross this resistance level for the past 8 weeks, but market is unable to do so. For 2 months, this level is acting as a resistance. For 2 months, this level is not allowing the market to cross it. Therefore, this level is extremely crucial for the market. Okay, and we must be very careful. So let's switch to the 4 hours time frame and see what should be our strategy for USD JPY. Okay, my drawings are gone. Okay, I'll have to draw again. Anyways, where is the 109.75? Yeah, this is the level. Okay, this was the most important level. Okay, this is the level on the weekly chart, and this level is extremely important because this is the resistance from the weekly chart that market is trying to cross for the past 8 weeks. Okay, so let me do a price level here. So this is the most important level for us right now. On the other hand, we saw that this level is also acting as support to the market. So on the downside, we have a support. Okay, so this is the support for us right now. As we all know, unlike a trending market, in a sideways market, we get opportunities on both the side. We can also short term market at the resistance, and we can also go for buying order at the support. Okay, so right now this is the support for us. Okay, this is the support one. There is one more support I'll be telling you right now. Okay, so let me discuss this level first. Okay, so this is the support 2 for us right now. Remember, this is support 2, 108.57. Okay, now let's discuss the support 1, and this is the support 1 for us right now. Because see, whenever market tried to go up, market crossed the resistance, tried to sustain above the resistance, and yeah, ultimately it came down. But whenever it came down, it took support, or it tried to take support at this price level. So therefore there is a good possibility that 109.34, okay, 109.34, this price level will try to act as support, or will try to provide the support to the market. So this is our support 1, and this is our support 2. and 109.75 is the ultimate resistance for the market. And right now we can see that after this huge fall or huge sell off, okay, market is right now below the support one. But still we cannot be too sure that yes, sellers are still dominating the market, we should short. Yes, we cannot be too sure, and we should not short the market right now, because see, market is also in the oversold zone. Therefore, considering the factors, this is not the ideal position. In case market comes down, okay, in case market comes down from this particular position, then also do not short the market, wait for the pullback, because as we all know, market never goes up in a straight line and never goes down also in a straight line. Okay, market always move in a zigzag pattern. Therefore, market will go up again. Okay, if market has to go down, then it will go up again to take some rest, and that time we'll have to short the market in case it breaks the support. Okay, right now though it is trading below the support, but still we cannot be too sure that this support is gone. Okay, therefore wait for the market and observe right now and just see, and keep your eyes in the stochastic RSI also. So when stochastic RSI will be in the overbought zone, then just look at the position of the price. If you see that stochastic RSI is in the overbought zone and it is about to go down again, and just look at the position of the price. If you see that price is still trading below this support 109.34 level, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this support level, this support level, the Avilash talked of, is not a valid support. The support level 1 Avilash told is no longer valid, and you can short the market. Okay. You can short the market at the pullback. Always remember, do not short the market right away, because yes, you need to follow the trading discipline also. You'll have to match the risk to reward ratio also. Therefore, wait for the market for a confirmation. So if market crosses this level, okay, then wait for the pullback. Wait for the stochastic RSI to go to the overbought zone. When it will be going down, then short the market. Otherwise, no. And if you short the market, then 108.57, this will be your target. Okay, this will be your target. You need to exit before this level. Okay, and on the other hand, okay, if market comes down to this 108.57 level, then just observe the price and see how the price reacts. If you see that price has taken support at this level, and if you see candlestick patterns like this, hammer or price rejection from below, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, 108.57 is a valid support. 108.57 or the support 2 has provided the required support to the market, and market is about to bounce, and you can go for a buy order at this price level. So these are the trading possibilities for you right now in US dollar Japanese yen chart. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.